Hello guys, welcome to KTU channel. In this video we're gonna see how to control our OLED display with Arduino UNO. Actually this project is simple but interesting. I hope that you will enjoy this. Okay, let's start the video. Very small actually. This is pretty cool stuff really. Okay, before doing our project we have to solder the points. For our project we have to download two libraries. This is the first one. Click the clone or download button, and this is the second. Again click the clone or download button. Before uploading, you have to change something in our code. You can see this line. Here, you have to change the value as 3C. Okay, now you can upload the code.